Hi guys, welcome back. I'm really happy you're here. If you're new to the channel, just tap that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the good stuff. All right, enough of me talking. Let's get into today's video.
Hello guys, welcome again. So in today's video we are going to be talking about how to change your Facebook account password. So firstly, what we are going to do is, let's go straight to the point. Open your Facebook application. Then what we are going to do next is you are going to click on this three icon at the top here beside the Facebook. So we are looking for settings and privacy here. You will click on your settings and privacy. After that, we'll click on settings. That will bring you to your Facebook settings and privacy. These are your Facebook settings and privacy list. So what we are going to do here is we are going to click on account center. We are working on account center today. Then this is your account center. Then you click on password and security. You click on password and security. You have to wait for it to load. Then we are looking for change password here. This is where you can change your password on Facebook. You will click on change password. Then you click on your account. You can change any account password that are linked to your account center. So this is the only account that is linked to my account center, so I'm going to click on the account now. You can click on yours. So this is where you are going to change your password. You are going to input your current password and your new password and retype new password. Then you will click on change password. With these steps you are going to change your Facebook password in less than 3 minutes or 4. So that is how to change your Facebook password. Just follow the steps from where we started to here. You'll be able to change your Facebook password. That is it. Thank you guys.